This is how to teleprompt, and people will think that you are a professional. This is how newscasters, presidents who are addressing nations are doing, and they will be talking while it will be displaying on their screen. People will think that they are reading from their head. If you do this, people will think that you are reading from your memory, not knowing that this write-up, this letter is displaying on your screen. It will be just be displaying, it's just for you to be reading, and people will not understand what is happening. They will be thinking that you are reading from your head. Now, follow this step by step to do it. I will be showing you two apps you are going to be using in teleprompting for free. In order to teleprompt, I will be showing you two apps you are going to be using. Go to Play Store and search for water camera, and the second app is called the AutoCap. Now, after downloading, click on the water camera app and wait for the ad to finish display or exit the ad. Now, when the camera open, at the bottom you have to select video. After selecting video, it will look like this. Now, look at the right hand side of the camera. There is a menu called music, speed, duration and teleprompt. Now, click on the time and choose the time you want to record. If you want to record above 5 minutes, you have to pay for the version. Let me select 5 minutes. Now, at the bottom of that time duration, you will see a menu called teleprompter. Click on it and click on the write-up at the bottom and paste your write-up that you want to teleprompt. After that, click on done. Now, at the bottom you will see a setting icon. Click on it. You will choose the how speed the write-up will be displaying. Then you have to scroll if you want it to be very fast, and if you want it to be on the default, leave it like that. Now you have to go back. The next thing you have to do is to click on video and start recording. Now, as you can see, project can be motivated, being overload. Now, your write-up is going up and you will just be reading it. This is how presidents are addressing nations, governors that are addressing nations, even most famous news broadcasters. This is what you are doing and you will think they are reading from their head. This is how to teleprompt and it is very easy. Now, after finish recording, save and you are good to go. Thank you for coming across this video.